Hey everyone. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can safely download YouTube videos for free. This process is very easy to follow. So let's get this video started. The first step is to open up the video you want to download on YouTube. Secondly, copy the URL of the video. Now, go to this website and simply paste the URL here. The link to this website is in the description. Here, pick the quality of the video you want to download and click on Convert. Once clicked on the Convert, it will prompt the download option to you. Simply, click on Download and your file should start downloading now. That's all guys. If you like my video, please comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Until next time. Take care. Goodbye.